Hello class, this is Mike Nolan and this is my multimedia discussion board for week 6. So the program evaluation I'm working on is the HEART program. HEART stands for the Homeless Evaluation Assessment Response Team. It's a program operated by the City of Santa Ana and the Santa Ana Police Department, which focuses exclusively on homeless individuals and families and assessing the problem of homelessness in its entirety through both immediate and long-term needs. The HEART program is funded on an emergency solutions grant. Each year, the City of Santa Ana receives approximately $300,000 in the emergency solutions grant, and a portion of that money is dedicated specifically to the HEART program. So the evaluation is going to be a quantitative evaluation, as where we understand that qualitative is exploring the meaning. The evaluation in this is going to be quantitative because we're going to be exploring not the meaning but the relationship between variables. Mainly the variable, does participation in Santa Ana Police Department's HEART program reduce chronic homelessness. So the program evaluation is going to be quasi-experimental. There will be two groups that will be evaluated. Group 1, or also known as the comparison group, is going to be homeless individuals not participating in the HEART program. Group 2, which is going to be the project group, is participants in the HEART program. We can't put, although we can allow participants into the program, we cannot force subjects into homelessness, and this is an area that we do not have control over, which contributes to making this quasi-experimental. So the quasi-experimental design for the program is going to be a post-test and ex-post test of the project group. The project group is going to be participants in the HEART program. Upon receiving services or exiting the program, participants will be evaluated based on either homelessness or not. And then approximately 5 years later, an ex-post test will be conducted to see if those participants are still homeless or are still no longer homeless upon the completion of either receiving services or exiting the HEART program. So the method for collecting this data is going to be document analysis. Participants will be asked to provide proof of residence to verify that they have in fact exited homelessness and have a permanent residence that is not an emergency shelter, but is actual permanent residence. The post-ex test will also be conducted 5 years later in the same method, in a document analysis where participants will be asked to provide a proof of residency, a utility bill document, lease agreement, anything to establish that they have an actual fixed residence. And this will be done by mailers, where they will be mailed in from the participants and mailed to their actual physical residence. Well, that sums up my week 6 discussion board. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and I look forward to watching your videos.